us what? Y inside A. Raised power what? 1 over B. True or false? Raised power what? 1 over B. Remember, this law will not come in now. Where is the again? This law will not come in. True or false? This law will not come in. If this law will come in, what will happen? This will become what? This will turn to. Remember, here is A, but here is now what? B. If you turn to what? B will be here. Right? While A. Is it clear? Is it clear? Are you sure? Now, we have gotten the first one. Now, let's assume we are working with this second situation. Following this product rule again, whenever we see A, we put 1 over B. Whenever we see B, we put what? A. So that means y raised to power 1 over B times A. That means y raised to power 1 over B times A will not give us what?
Admission. 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 Dear ladies and gentlemen, I bring good news. Admission into the Diocese on the Niger School of Pharmacy Technician ENU Mission Hospital is on. The School of Pharmacy Technician (PhT) is an accredited tertiary institution that offers students a diploma degree to work in hospitals and pharmaceutical companies in order to promote safe and effective use of medicines at grassroots level. Graduates of Pharmacy Technician School ENU who wish to study pharmacy in the university can obtain direct entry into any university of their choice. The school has a well-equipped laboratory, comfortable hostel, and a healthy refectory. The requirements for admission are credit in English, mathematics, biology, chemistry and physics. In GCE, WAEC, NECO, NABTEB are not more than 2 sittings. The School of Pharmacy Technician (PhT) is located at ENU Mission Hospital, Agidi, Anambra State. For more information, call 0803 708 1512, 0813 868 2003, 0803 267 5322. Diocese on the Niger School of Pharmacy Technician. A tradition of excellence.